Write the main topic, basic mathematical operations of polynomial function. Basic mathematical operations of polynomial function. Write the subtopic, addition and subtractions of polynomial function. Addition and subtractions of polynomial function. Write down this example. Number 1, let fx equal 2x cube plus 10x squared plus 17x plus 9 and gx equal s cube plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 7. Gx equal s cube plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 7. Find the functions fx plus gx and fx minus gx. Find the functions fx plus gx and fx minus gx. Fx plus gx is addition of two polynomial. Fx minus gx is subtractions of two polynomial functions, right? Fx plus gx equal 2s cube plus 10x squared plus 17x plus 9 plus function gx s cube plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 7, right? Check the identical term s cube and 2s cube and s cube. If powers of the two terms are identical, then we can simplify the coefficient of this term, right? 2s cube. Here coefficient of s cube is 1. 2 plus 1 become 3. 3x to the power 3. There are two terms including s squared, 10x squared and 9x squared. Coefficient of x squared is positive 10 and positive 9. 10 plus 9 become 90. 17x plus 7x become 24x. 9 plus 7 become 18. Sorry, 16. Right? 2s cube plus 19x squared plus 24x plus 16 also polynomial function. Right? Fx minus gx 2x cube plus 10x squared plus 17x plus 9 minus, use the bracket, function gx x square s cube plus 9x squared plus 7x plus 7 2s cube plus 10x squared plus 17x plus 9. All terms of the function gx should be multiplied by minus 1. S cube become negative s cube, negative 9x squared, negative 7x, negative 7. then simplify the function. 2s cube minus s cube become s cube. 2 minus 1 is 1, right? There are two terms including x squared, 10x squared, then minus 9s squared. Then simplify the coefficient. 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 become 1. No need to write 1x squared. 17x minus 7. Coefficient of x are 17 and minus 7. Then simplify the 17 and minus 7. 17 minus 7 become 10. 9 minus 7 is 2. Right? This is a new polynomial function. Right? Fs plus gx and fs minus gx also polynomials, right? Write the subtopic multiplication of polynomial function. Multiplication of polynomial function. Right. Write down this one. Let fx equal x square plus 2x plus 5 and gx equal 3x plus 2. Gx equal 3x plus 2. Find the function fx times gx. Find the function fx times gx. Fx into gx equal, use a bracket to write function fx, x squared plus 2x plus 5 times gx 3x plus 2. Right. How to simplify this product? All terms of the first bracket should be multiplied by 3x and 2. 3x into x squared become 3 into s to the power 3. I think you know the law of indices, right? If you are multiplying x to the power m into s to the power n, we have to add the n m n. Answer is s to the power m plus n, right? S to the power m plus n, right? Here power of x is 1, here 2. When we are multiplying 3x and x squared, we have to add the 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 become 3. Coefficient is 3. X into 2x, multiply the coefficient. 2 into 3, 6. X into x is s to the power 1 times s to the power 1 is s to the power 2, right? 2 into 3 becomes 6, x into x squared, 3x into 5, 15x. Similarly, all term of the first bracket should be multiplied by positive 2. 2s squared, 2 into 2 4, 4x, 5 into 2 become 10. 3x square x cube 3x cube plus 8x squared 19x plus 10, right. Product of two polynomial also polynomial function, right. Right. Write down this one. Let fx and gx be the polynomial functions. Let fx and gx be the polynomial function. Fx and gx be the polynomial function. Then the functions fx plus gx, fx minus gx and fs plus gx, fs minus gx and fx into gx. Fx into gx are polynomials. Then the functions fs plus gx, fs minus gx, fx into gx are polynomial functions.